In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download selected pages in Canva step by step without downloading the entire design. This is extremely useful if you're working on a multi-page document like a presentation, a workbook, or a PDF, and you only need specific pages instead of everything. This works for both free and pro Canva users, and it saves a lot of time and storage space. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Canva tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, you'll see all your recent designs right on the home screen. From here, click on any file of your choice. This can be a presentation, document, social media design, or any multi-page Canva file where you want to download only certain pages. Once your design opens, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct file and that all the pages you need are ready. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. When the Share menu opens, you'll see multiple options for sharing and exporting your design. From this menu, click on the Download button. This opens the Download Settings panel, where you can control how your file will be exported. Now, the first thing you'll want to do here is select your file type. Canva allows you to download files as PDF, PNG, JPEG, MP4, and more, depending on your design. For this example, I'm choosing PDF, but you can select any file type that fits your needs. After selecting the file type, look for the option called Select Pages. This is the key step that allows you to download only specific pages instead of the entire design. Click on Select Pages, and you'll see options like Current Page or Custom Page Selection. If you only want the page you're currently viewing, you can choose Current Page. If you want multiple specific pages, click on the option that allows you to manually select pages. Now you'll see thumbnails of all the pages in your design. Simply click on the pages you want to download. You can select one page, multiple pages, or any combination you need. Take your time here and double-check that only the pages you want are selected. Once you're happy with your selection, click on Done. This confirms your page selection and takes you back to the download settings screen. Now all that's left to do is click the Download button. Canva will start processing your file, and depending on the size and number of pages, this may take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, you'll see a pop-up notification in the bottom right corner of your screen, and the file will be saved to your device. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded selected pages in Canva without exporting the entire file. This method works perfectly for PDFs, presentations, and other multi-page designs. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.